Hi everyone, here's the quick devlog. I'm working on a Blender add-on for precise modeling and dimensions. The core concept is speed and simplicity, fewer clicks, less UI, but still powerful enough for precise work. The add-on is available on my Patreon for free subscribers while it's in development and testing. In a couple of weeks, it will become paid. Try it now and leave your feedback. Link is in the description.
Here is a quick review of the add-on and what I have at the moment. First of all, add any number of groups you want. Change the color. Go and select objects you want to add the dimensions. Go to edit mode and select vertices or edges and just start adding the groups. You can not only add but also remove. Another nice thing that you can lock these dimensions, and vertices can't be moved anymore. But cool thing, if you select them all, you can. It means that all this length and angle will be preserved. You can play with the visibility, checking them here or on the top bar. I here control the global visibility. What else? Try to check select only. Collection. Select the collection and move necessary elements to this collection. If you hide the objects, dimension still will be here. Units. Play with the fractions. Enable any units you need. Uncheck separate units if you want. And yeah, for sure you can show and hide these units. To make everything even better, go to visibility settings and play with the line width, text size, text outline, and enable point. If you want to avoid this mess from the far distance, you can lock text size, and in this case it will be preserved and snapped to the world size. That's it at the moment. Don't miss the chance to grab it while it's free. Subscribe, hit the like, and waiting for your comments below. Thank you.